guys, I'm back to a new video on Kids Life. Today what we will be doing is exploring my Aunt Melanie's farm. Stay tuned to make sure you meet all of the animals. Let's go. Come here, let me show you guys the guinea fowl. Wrong way. Let's look for the guinea fowls. I don't know where they are.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never missed one of our videos.
Make sure you give a big thumbs up and comment down below. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.
Bye.